two trees is crazy. Is this our next deal, though, huh? Let us know. If you rewatching this, always knock before you enter. Make sure nobody ain't in there.
That's why they had the door open.
Mm.
Bad as fuck.
What door was open?
These windows are open.
Oh.
Bad as fuck in here.
Man,
What the fuck?
brutal.
And where's my fucking light? Whew.
Man.
Bro, why do it smell like this? Like it had a cat dog in here or something?
Shit, they
Smell like
probably
mildew.
still got a dog in here.
Smell like mildew. Okay, let me start over because the smell took me by attention. Let me come back in. So this is the dining room, living room. Oh, they do got a walkway to get into the kitchen. So this is considered already
The
quote
kitchen.
unquote open.
Yeah. But they didn't want to change the
Oh,
design.
yeah, see, I knew they had some type of cat in here or something.
Oh, you see the cat?
Nigga, the
The
food,
food.
tray right here.
Oh, shit, is the door shut? I should have kept y'all looking at the house, though. Let's look at the house.
It's for sure a cat in here somewhere.
So, bathroom. They put it next to the kitchen. Why they got the electrical box up here? Didn't it say it had a basement? Did they lie to us? I think they lied to us. Cause what's that? That ain't the basement?
No, this is another back room.
They lied to us. See? They like to lie to you on the MLS. That's why it ain't so, cause it ain't got no basement. Really ain't even.
For a lot of reasons. I don't like the layout.
Yeah, that too, but shit. This house, somebody would have brought it. If it had a basement.
Definitely not a basement. They want a whole lot for not having a basement.
Man. It's killing it.
And they got, okay.
I'm just gonna look.
That wood is not good.
Just gonna look up here, but it's really a wrap. They're just trying to put a bathroom up here. They put the toilet. So did they try to make up? Bro, this is a one bedroom.
They funny.
This could be the two though. Close this wall back, but
How the fuck they do that? Yeah, this is a done deal, bro.
yeah,
I ain't putting no offer in this shit.
ain't no point. Yeah, this was a bathroom up here. They only needed the basement. Well, the neighborhood though.
No, neighborhood. Neighborhood is fire. Neighborhood, I love.
Is it our next deal?
Oh, okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's
I
not.
Said that. I said that up there. Though. But the MLS lies. That's what I
Yeah.
will say.
Definitely,
They definitely.
definitely not happy with this.
Yeah. But
It was worth it, you know.
definitely was worth it.
You know, you live, you learn.
Yeah, we got a strategy and we gotta stick by it. So we gonna do what we gotta do.
We're gonna keep showing up.
Yeah.
Next time.